Tesla maintenance schedule, what every owner should know. All right, Tesla fam. While Teslas are known for being low maintenance, there are still some key things you should keep an eye on to keep your ride running smoothly. Let's break down the Tesla maintenance schedule and what every owner should know. 1. Tire rotation, balance, and alignment. Every 10,000 to 12,000 miles, it's a good idea to rotate your tires to ensure even wear. This helps maintain optimal handling and extends the life of your tires. Be sure to also check your tire alignment and balance regularly to avoid uneven wear. 2. Brake fluid replacement. Tesla recommends replacing your brake fluid every 2 years for the Model S and Model X, and every 3 years for the Model 3 and Model Y. This helps keep your braking system in top shape even though Teslas use regenerative braking, which reduces wear on the brake pads. 3. Cabin air filter replacement. To maintain clean air inside your cabin, replace your cabin air filter every 2 years for the Model 3 and Model Y, and every 3 years for the Model S and Model X. If you live in a dusty area or have allergies, consider replacing it more often. 4. HEPA filter replacement if applicable. If you've got a Model S or Model X with a HEPA filter, Tesla recommends replacing it every 3 years. This filter helps keep the air clean and fresh, especially if you're in an area with a lot of pollution or allergens. 5. Brake pads check. While Teslas use regenerative braking, you'll still want to check your brake pads periodically, especially if you drive a lot in stop-and-go traffic. It's generally recommended to inspect them every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. 6. Air conditioning service. Tesla recommends servicing the air conditioning system every 2 years for the Model S and Model X, and every 3 years for the Model 3 and Model Y. This helps maintain optimal performance and prevent any unpleasant odors. 7. Battery coolant replacement. Tesla recommends changing the battery coolant every 4 years for the Model S and Model X, and every 5 years for the Model 3 and Model Y. This ensures the cooling system remains efficient, especially if you're driving in extreme temperatures. 8. General inspections. Regularly check your Tesla's alignment, suspension, and overall condition during service visits, especially if you notice anything unusual in driving performance. Bottom line, even though Teslas are relatively low maintenance, following this basic schedule will help keep your car running smoothly and ensure you're always on the road, enjoying the ride. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.